Machiegni inyalo tudri kodwa e namba mar 2-6-0 kabende ontiere ex Atramogi TV KE at James Opondo Senior. Machiegni nyinga en James Opondo. Josiasa mawuok alwora ma Mount Elgon owuok oko mar kwayo mondo nonro otim mapiyo kendo makare kaluwore gi nek mar MCA ma Chesikaki Nathan Wasama mane ochiel gi magina gi jogo ma ok oyangi tich ang'wen otieno. Thoth josiasa go mamanyo kombe e yiero mabiro ma higa 2027 wacho ni ok gibi ling nyaka ratiro gi yudi kendo jogo omaki. Ne gilose kinde mane gitimo limbe kar kano ringre ma Kimilili kama bende ne gisayo migawo mar arita ka giwacho ni kata gin bende ibwogo ngimagi. Ne gimedo wacho ni nek mar MCA no ni kod weche mag siasa ka koro gidwaro mondo jatend migawo mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen mondo otim nonro makare kendo chiwo arita bende ne jogo mawuok e alwora ma Mount Elgon.
Huku Mount Elgon tuko na wasiwasi kubwa sana kwa sababu wakati ambayo unasema unataka kiti fulani kuna kiongozi anaona hiyo kiti ni yake, of which sisi kama wapiga kura na wakazi wote wa Mount Elgon kiti ni wananchi. So mimi nataka kuhimiza na kuomba serikali yetu, mimi haswa Maruti, mimi mwenyewe nimetishiwa maisha mara 3 hadi kuna kiongozi anatoa bunduki yake na ananitishia mimi maisha. Nimeenda nikaripoti, but hadi leo hii hajaitwa na kuwa summoned na ili aeleze kwa nini alitoa bunduki yake kunitishia mimi maisha. So kuna 3 OB numbers, I have them. Alishai nipigia simu na kunitishia maisha hadi na leo hii. So mimi leo hii hata venye Wasama ameenda hivi, I think I'm the next.
Today I go to Mount Elgon, by night I'm supposed to plan where I'm going to sleep. So up to when are Mount Elgon aspirants going to run away from their homes? We want to ask the security agencies. When this incident happened in 2024, you did not table the report and tell the public that this is what we found out. Yeah. So that we are able to have a backup of what happened. But we have not gotten that. So we want to appeal to the security agencies that please don't be complacent in this particular matter.
Kama serikali wata tusaidia kuhusu maneno ya Wasama. Tumeona kumbe Nairobi ni karibu sana, ni masaa 8 ama ni siku 8. Tutatembea kutafuta Murkomen Nairobi. Hakuja tusaidia amani.
We demand a thorough, impartial and speedy investigation to establish who planned, financed, facilitated and carried out this heinous act.